Okay class, so assalamualaikum and good day. Okay, so in this video what I will show you is I will show you how to answer for the tutorial 3 question number 6. Okay, because they have a few your friend asked me the question and I believe maybe some of you also yang tak tanya tu pun tak tahu sangat nak jawab soalan ni macam mana, how to cater this question. Okay, so I will explain in this video, but I'm not going to explain or I will not going to show the question from tutorial 3, but I will give you a similar example, okay, with that. Okay, so this example, okay, is how the question is how to use a partial derivative to approximate square root 3.94 times 8.023. Okay, so as I mentioned just now, this is not a tutorial question, but it's similar to that question. Okay, saya bagi soalan lain supaya you have more than one example to refer. Okay, after this, okay, so you can refer to this video and then you can answer lah for that question, tutorial 3 question number 6. Even though you already submit, but you can recheck back. Okay, alright, so this is the question. So yeah, the first thing first, maybe say the question that you ask, where is the x, where is the variable x and y? Okay, tak ada pun kan. Okay, actually x and y is there, but it's already substitute with the values. Okay, it's substitute with values. So you can see that you have two variable here, two value here, and that means this is two variable. Okay, so means that this is a question regarding a two variables. So what we need to do, you need to let which one is your x and which one is your y. So basically, yeah, it can either one, tak ada masalah pun you want to like which one the x, which one is y, but the first term first we will like x lah. Okay, first term that we meet here is 3.94, so it will be your x. Okay, and then this is your y. Okay, so these two value actually is your new value. Okay, please remember right? Because you need to know all and new value because you want to find out the changes, right? So the value here that appear here is the new value. Okay, this is the new value. Okay, after that you can create your function now because you already know that it's x and this is y. So this is x and this is y. Okay, maybe you can write in term of this pun boleh. Okay, sebab mungkin you akan start when you want to differentiate. Okay, sebab ada square root kan. So you can write in terms of power. Okay, so now we want to find fx. Okay, before that, like I said before in the previous video, in the what we call in our lecture, to make it easy or to make it to avoid to do a careless mistake, I suggest you to write the formula first because we can know what we want to find out. Okay, right, so this is the formula of two variable. So you want to find fx, changes of x, fy, changes of y. Okay, so what is your fx here? So you differentiate here, we have negative half y 1/3. Okay, so this is your changes of this is your differentiation with respect to x. So then your fy will be 1/3 x negative 2/3 x power half. Okay, I don't want to explain how I get it because this is a simple differentiation. You may refer kalau you rasa macam mana I dapat ni, macam mana I dapat, you need to study back lah ataupun you need to recall back by yourself. Okay, I will not explain here. Okay, after you get your both fx, fy, so now we want to find the changes of x and changes of y. So to get the changes, you need to know two value, old and new value, and this value is a new value. So how to get the old value? Okay, how to get the old value? Okay, this one at this stage you need to be creative and you need to be logic. Okay, for example macam ni ya. Okay, this is your new value, right? So how to get the old value? Okay, you can refer. Okay, we know that. So let's say this is x. So this is 3.94. Okay, they have many value at the right and at the left hand side of 3.94. It can be 3.93, it can be 3.92, it can be 3.95, and so on lah. Okay, but which one that we want to choose? Okay, the what we call the character, or yeah, the character lah. How you want to find the value? You need to choose, or maybe you choose the value that make it your life easier. I mean, life easier here. Okay, let's say you choose 3.95. Let's say, okay, when you substitute here in your function, square root 3.95. Okay, you square root 3.95. What we get? You need to use your calculator, right? And then you will get the answer. And the answer will be decimal point, in terms of decimal point. Okay, we try to avoid that. Okay, we try to avoid that. We don't want to make it our life miserable with the decimal point and so on. So, okay, try to figure out which number that we can choose, and when we substitute into that square root, we get the answer directly, easily. Which number? 3.95, 3.93, 3.3. I think for this way tak ada kot. Kat sini semua akan dapat 3.9. I mean, all of will be decimal point until you get 3 lah. Okay, so but 3.95, 3.94 is too far. Kan, maksudnya nilai value 3 tu dengan 3.94 terlalu jauh. Kan? How about you compare to the right hand side? You will get 3.95, 3.99 until 4. So, is it 4? If you choose 4, what we get? Square root of 4 we get 2, is it? It's directly, you get the answer 2. And it's not too far. 3.94 to 4 is only 0.06. So, it will be logic lah, logic. To compare if you choose to this way. This way, kalau you paling ni pun, you akan pilih 3. But when we square root 3, you will get decimal point. Correct? So, the logic or the nice one, the nice number here is 4. So, you will choose, okay, this is the new value. Okay, so the old value would be 4 for x. Okay, 4 for x. And then how to find the old value for y? It's same lah, sama, tapi careful, this is a power 3 I mean punca kuasa 3. No, not punca kuasa 2 is punca kuasa 3. So you have 8.02 here. So this one will be okay, 8.01, 8. And then at the right hand side you have 8.02 and so on. But the value, the what we call nombor bulat kat sini akan appear is 9. Okay, at the left hand side will be 8. So if you choose at the right hand side, it's still far. I mean, it's far compared to 8. Macam 9 minus 0.2 will be 0.08, is it? If you compare to this one, 8 minus 8 0 point minus 8, it will be 0.02 only. And square root 3, it will be punca kuasa 3 dia akan dapat 2, which is a number bulat. Okay, so you will choose 8 as your old value for y. Okay, alright. Okay, I hope that you get it what I mean. Okay, because yeah, this question is tricky sikit lah. It needs to, you need to figure out the value that by yourself. You kena figure out by yourself. Okay, so your old value is 4.8 and your new value is 3.94 = 2. So what's the changes here? Old minus new. Okay, so 0.06, old minus new 0.02. Okay, so this is the changes. Okay, now you already get all these 4, so just substitute here back. Okay, we substitute back into the what we call the formula. Okay, and don't forget to substitute the old value, and then you will get the answer lah. Okay, so the answer for this question is 3.973. Okay, you can try by yourself. Okay, I just explain how the flow or how the steps to cater this type of question. So you may use these steps to answer or to do ataupun yes, but because of you already submit, right? But you can refer, you can make it this one as your reference to answer the type of question like this lah. Yang tak bagi S and Y. Okay, alright. Okay then, so for this week, we will continue with the new topics. We are still in chapter 1, but we proceed with the new topic, which is a chain rule and also implicit differentiation. Okay, alright, see you there.